Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this app is a system or pre-installed app, because only those let you roll back via settings. Once confirmed, disable auto updates in the Play Store to stop reinstallation. Now open Settings, go to Apps, find the target app, and tap the three-dot menu. You're doing this to reveal the Uninstall Updates control. This step gives you the only built-in rollback mechanism Android exposes without root or downloading APKs. You now tap Uninstall Updates in the three-dot menu. Android will remove user-installed updates and restore the factory APK. Make sure you watch for prompts that warn about data loss. This removes updated code, not always user data, but backup if unsure. If the option is unavailable, the app is user-installed or locked by device admin, so this method won't work. Once the uninstall completes, reboot the phone so the system reloads the original app. Once you finish, open App Info to confirm the version, matches the factory build, and redisable Play Store auto update for that app. If uninstall updates was unavailable, the only alternative paths are rooting the device or sideloading an older APK, which carry risks and aren't built-in methods. If the reverted app behaves poorly, clear cache and data, or reinstall a stable update from Play Store. Make sure to back up settings and understand that only system apps support the built-in uninstall updates action.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.